What's up guys, it's Itzel, welcome to my channel. Today you guys are coming along with me on a Sunday reset. It's gonna be a little bit of fun, a little bit of relaxing, a little bit of productive. That's a lie. Very much productive. That's the bulk of the reset today. Since I have no list, I'm just gonna walk you through what I've already done today and what I hope to do for the rest of the day. And I'll just insert the clips of everything that has previously happened since I am filming this well into the day. So whether you're watching this while you yourself are resetting or you're watching this while you're just kind of chilling at home or chilling somewhere else, thank you for joining me. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So Q and I did something new this morning. A little quick background. Q and I moved to Florida like 3 months ago now, and so we're still like very much exploring the area. We're still new to the area, so we have obviously not had the opportunity to go fully explore everything around us yet. So it's really nice when we actually get to take or like check something off the list. We don't actually have a physical list. Well, Q has like a list of things that we can do on his phone, but I want to actually make like a big bucket list like written out and then check things off once we do them. But I also want to have it written down somewhere because, you know, we probably want to redo some of those things. So I just want to like have it written down somewhere, so if we ever know we want to do something but we're not sure what, we could just go to that list and pick something out, even if it's something we'd already done. But anywho, we went on a little hike on some trails which we had both heard of from separate people and told each other about it. So obviously it was something that we would have both enjoyed. We went to the University of West Florida trails. We took our dog Alma and we just explored some of the trails. I couldn't tell you the names of them now. I think I took a video of a map, so I will insert that here somewhere. But it was actually really fun. We got our steps in. I'm at 16,780 steps. So I think this morning I probably ended with like, I'm gonna say like 9,000 steps probably, but yeah, we were out there for, I don't know, maybe like 2 hours, maybe even longer actually. Our dog did really well. We were kind of mentally preparing just in case we had to carry her at some point, but actually it was great. Most of the trail was honestly pretty shaded, just with the tall trees, so I think that helped all of us a lot. It was really cool. It kind of started off on like, not a dock, but I guess you'll see it in the videos, but the trail started off kind of on, like you're going over like it kind of looks like swampy, but yeah, and so there's like water on the bottom and trees and stuff all around, so you're kind of on this like bridge for like, I don't know, a quarter mile or something, just to get to like another point where there's no longer water, it's like actual solid ground. The trail goes from this like wooden bridge to actual like dirt and grass. So that was pretty cool. Just like so many different changes of like scenery, I feel like. But that was really fun. So I'm glad that we got to do that. All three of us enjoyed it. I mean, Alma couldn't actually say so, but we interpreted that she really enjoyed it. So we're definitely gonna have to do that again. It's not too far from us. It's maybe like 30 minutes. So we will definitely be adding that to a list to check off over and over and over again. And I wanted to do like fasted cardio. So we actually decided to take our breakfast to the trail and eat it there, but we just didn't find a good spot while we were on the trail, and we just wanted to, you know, walk, and then eventually we just wanted to get out of there because we didn't really get lost. We went the wrong way, but we were able to figure it out. Like we got lost. Not really, it just added like an extra mile, but it was all good. Once we got out, there's like some picnic tables around, and so we went to go sit at one of those and eat our breakfast, which we had packed in the morning. We took Greek yogurt, some fruit, and some granola, and we all took it in separate containers. That way we can make our little yogurt bowls while we were there. So that was actually really nice. I'm glad we did that. It seems kind of weird, but it stayed cold in the lunchbox, and yeah, it was a good time. Q just brought his little like date pack to hold everything and hold Alma's like extra stuff. I think when we go back, I'm gonna bring my own pack, even if we don't have that much stuff, just because I kind of want to get into hiking, and so I feel like I need to practice with weight even when I don't need to carry anything. That way, once we go somewhere where I would need to carry weight, we'll be set. enough about that. Hopefully you enjoyed all the clips that I took. I took so many, so I know I'm gonna have to narrow it down, but I'm definitely excited to show you some of my dog because she is literally the cutest.
Okay. Look at the baby.
She's like, why am I not in front? This is ridiculous. Oh god.
Got some Greek yogurt, fruit, and granola.
Pretty sick. Anyway,
Videoing.
what are we talking about?
I don't know, whatever you want to talk about.
I'm eating yogurt.
What? You did so good today. Oh, that yummy strawberry. Oh my god, she just like spit out. Yeah, you want a little bacon flavored tweet? Oh yeah, strawberry and bacon, so yummy. Good girl.
Was it a successful hike?
Oh yeah, it's a good time. You should come next time.
What a good girl.
So after we got done with that, we came home, we cleaned, and we meal prepped some breakfast. Me and Q like combined, we cleaned the restrooms, we cleaned the couch, and by cleaning the couch, there's like, it's not a lint roller, but it's kind of like similar concept, except it's not like a sticky thing. I'm not sure what exactly, it's like a brush that like collects things from the couch, which we use because dog hair gets stuck on it. Cleaned the shower, did a lot of dishes, started cleaning the kitchen, but we kind of didn't finish it since we were like actively cooking slash are actually currently cooking right now again. So we're gonna wait till that's all done and then we'll finish cleaning the kitchen. Clean out the fridge, that one was really good. Obviously time consuming, but that was great. It sounds like maybe we didn't do that much, but we definitely did, and it definitely took us a long time. Oh, we've gone through like 3 loads of laundry, and we're on the last one right now. So that's gonna be fun to fold later. also meal prepped some like breakfast taco burrito kind of things. We used flour tortillas, and in them we put chorizo, bacon, eggs, and potatoes, and then we ate one of each for lunch, so it all worked out because it was warm and stuff, and honestly it was so good and pretty filling. I mean, it was pretty huge, so I'm excited to have those for breakfast later. After that, we got cleaned up because we hadn't showered yet from this morning, since I don't know about you guys, but I sweat a lot when I clean, like for whatever reason. I think it's because I'm just moving back and forth and doing this and grabbing that, and I don't know, but I usually shower after I'm done cleaning, so did that, and then I kind of got ready into what I'm currently wearing. We went grocery shopping. We went to PetSmart because we were trying to get Alma's nails trimmed, but when we got there, they asked for proof of the rabies vaccine, which we should have thought that they were gonna ask for something, but we didn't. We just showed up, and then we're like, dang it, like we have it, because she has the shot, we just have to bring the paperwork in. So we couldn't do that, which kind of sucked. And so no big deal, we'll just take her next week. But then we were also gonna go give her a bath at Tractor Supply, since they have those like self-serve dog bath shower things. We got there, and then the person at the front said they needed to ask their manager because they stopped allowing people there today, specifically at 6 p.m. and it was like 5:20, and there was 2 people already waiting. So we're like, you know what, never mind, it's fine. We'll come back another day. So basically we brought our dog with us, and then she couldn't do any of it. So she just came for nothing, which for most dogs is not a big deal because, you know, they like stick their head out the window and just like enjoy the wind on their tongue and their faces and stuff. But she actually doesn't love the car, and she doesn't stick her head out the window. Even when she's been in the car with dogs who stick their head out the window, like she doesn't, either she doesn't understand the concept or she just doesn't like it. I'm not sure, but she doesn't love the car, so it kind of sucked for her that she had to come along, drive to all these places, and then, you know, not get anything done to her. So whatever. I just quickly wanted to show you a little Ulta haul. It was extremely small. I just popped in because it's right next to the Publix where we went grocery shopping. I actually need to place an online order because on my credit card right now it's like 10% cash back, so figured I would do that. But I could not find these little plastic elastics, like those like little hair bands, because I braid my hair all the time and I use them to secure them, and I have like 2 left in my possession, so I desperately needed some. But online, maybe I'm just dumb, but I could not like find what I was looking for online. I found 2 sets, but one was clear and one was clear with like neon polka dots on them. I don't know, it was kind of weird. Anywho, I couldn't find like plain black ones, so I figured I would just pop in the store and pick some up. So it's a 300 count, and it was like $3.99 plus tax. So, and then I also got my birthday gift, which was, well, you know, I went in store because online it only gave me 2 options and I didn't like them, so I went in store and got the Way leave-in conditioner in like a travel size, which I actually use this, so it was really cool that I got the travel size version. And then I just noticed this, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you, but there's like a little birthday cake on it. That's actually so freaking cute. Okay, anywho, and then they also threw in this little Tula sample, which is great because I also already use these products. It's the Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser and the 24/7 Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream. So I figured if I ever go somewhere just like for one night, I could just throw this in instead of having to carry like the whole containers. So that was great. My storage is running out, so I'm gonna run out and empty some of the storage out. I have this problem all the time. And then I'm going to continue cooking, and I'm about to bake some banana bread. So this will be my first time making banana bread and I'm so excited. And then we're probably just gonna eat and hang out, and I'm gonna say we're gonna chill most of the rest of the night, but I have a few more cleaning tasks, a few more organizational tasks that I wanna get done. But I will show you guys that as it comes along. I have to go because I have like 30 seconds left.
It's good. It's not too hard either. Eh?
When you were like, I was like, oh damn, is it gross?
No, it's not gross. It's just different from what I remember.